All right, here's take two. Back at the Glue Cafe, trying to find the Spoon-billed Sandpiper. And some interesting news just yesterday. 3 of them were found at a spot very close to here. So I was thinking about going over there and trying to find one of those 3, but I still kind of run into the same issue. With this particular bird, I want to find it myself and not rely on a bird WhatsApp group or anything like that. So I'm going to try and walk around the Glue Cafe grounds some and see what we can find. And today I'm a little bit pessimistic. My Nikon Coolpix camera is not working, so I think I have some kind of battery issue there. So that's a little discouraging. It's an excellent camera for long range, which is what I need for something out here with all these skittish stints and sandpipers. And there's also a lot of people working out here on the salt fields. So I'm pretty pessimistic how this day is going to go, but I'm going to give it a shot and see what we can find. Well, I've had to throw on the sunglasses. It is super bright out here and super empty. There is really not a lot of birds at all. I haven't even seen a blackwing stilt, which is pretty much have a 100% chance of finding one out here. There's really not been a lot of birds at all. Just a handful of little egrets, a few cormorants, but that's about it. A few eastern yellow wagtails flew overhead, but aside from that, there are 0 birds out here, and not even redneck stints. So that's normally the bird I would have to pick through to find my spoonbill, but man, today those aren't even out here. It's just an empty salt pan. So I may not stay out here too much longer and try and come back again in a few weeks, I guess, as my schedule allows. Bummer. Well, I don't want to throw in the towel just yet. Just because the spoonbill may not be out here doesn't mean I can't find a different kind of lifer. There's a nice green area over here. I can already hear quite a bit of singing coming from it. So I'm gonna snoop around a bit, see what I can find. This is the area I'm looking at right now. This green area over here. I think I do see some of those blackwing stilts kind of sitting over there. So I'll poke around over here, see if we can't find anything of interest over there, and if not, I'll call it a day and head home. Well, after searching around a bit, I was able to find some birds, but unfortunately a Bernini kite just came in and scared the crap out of everything, and now they're scattered all over the salt pans. I think that's probably time to call it quits. It's pretty cool to see the kite swoop in and try and grab one of these little plovers, but it came in with nothing, and I came away with nothing as well, unfortunately. But since my Coolpix camera is not working, I think I'm just going to try and head home, figure out what's wrong with it, because really this is near impossible without it. It can be discouraging at times. I mean, we've all had days where we're trying to find some birds and there's just nothing there. That's one of those days today. I mean, I've been doing this since I was 5, and there comes, you know, every now and then you'll have a day like this where there's just not a lot out there. I did find a bunch of plovers towards the back corner of the salt pans, but without the Coolpix, without a spotting scope, it's too tough for me to wade through all of those and pick out a potential spoonbill. So I'm gonna have to try to rethink the strategy. Today I got here a little later than normal, so I'm gonna try and maybe get here at the crack of dawn next time. But I'm gonna head back to the cafe. My alma mater, Kansas State, is playing right now. They have a basketball game, and I just checked the score actually, and they're down by 10. So the discouragement continues to mount, but it's fine. It's just a game. Same thing for birding. And yeah, I'm excited to come back here in a few weeks, try again, and be a little more patient. I think today I was just a little impatient, not willing to scan through all those birds. And yeah, I'll try to have a better attitude next time and not let the discouragement get to me, because it's just a hobby. It's a beautiful day outside, nice cool weather, plenty to be thankful for. So yeah, try to come back in a few weeks, reinvigorated and ready to get back after it.